Hi, have you ever wondered about how you can use accents to improve your melodies? Then this is a video for you. I'm Mitchell from Soundbridge, a professional DJ and producer, and I will be showing you this neat trick in less than 2 minutes. Now, before we dive into the tutorial, please hit the like, subscribe and notification buttons, so you keep getting content like this that helps you improve your craft as a musician. Our ears have a tendency to respond to dynamic and loudness variations in music. A musical composition should include loudness changes throughout the track to make it captivating and intriguing. Accents can be employed in music to create diverse melodic effects such as groove or swing and to draw attention to specific notes in the melody. By bearing this in mind, in the next tutorial I will show you how to use accents to make your melodies more interesting. In this project I've used 2 techniques to add accents to melodic phrases. In the first, I emphasized only prominent high notes in the melodic phrase, while in second, I emphasized the melodic phrase with the use of 2-note chords. Let's hear it one by one. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at sunbridge.io.